In this video, I will guide you how you can convert your Shopify store to Wix. So the first step that you need to do is to simply head over to the add app section, and what you need to do is to simply search for cart to cart, which is the migration application. So you just need to click on it and then click on the install button. Now once you are satisfied with the privacy settings, you just need to click on the install button. Now what you need to do is to simply choose your role, which is going to be store owner, and choose the store cart. So in this case it is going to be Shopify, so simply search for it. And then next step is you need to add the source store URL. So in this case it is going to be your Shopify store. So simply click on the view your online store, and then you just need to copy the link, and then you just need to paste it right in this bar. So after that you just need to set up your target cart setup. Also right now it is showing me the error as I don't have a live Shopify store, but you just need to click on choose entities, and this will gonna take you to the next step, and you need to simply perform a demo migration. And once you are satisfied, you can now complete your migration to your Wix website successfully. So that's the way of how you can convert Shopify website to Wix.